High Point Church of Arlington, Texas. 7 Pillars Vision Poem. The house the Lord has built will prevail over demonic influences and the powers of hell. In the wisdom of his house stands 7 pillars of principles the foundation demands. To achieve a complete balance of success, these 7 pillars from the book of Acts we will address. Pillar 1. The house of the Lord has a mission. Making disciples of all nations is called the Great Commission. Pillar 2 is, the majesty of our God is truly amazing. We offer our thanksgiving with worshiping and praising. Pillar 3 is, the mantle of covering by the Holy Spirit who transforms and empowers. To all of the one accord, we know the promise is ours. Pillar 4 is, share the message of Jesus, him crucified and resurrected. The works of the cross must not be neglected. Pillar 5 is, the methods used that brought a steadfast union was discipleship, fellowship, prayer, and communion. Pillar 6 is, material possessions that were shared from compassionate people that cared. Pillar 7 is, miracles from the supernatural power of God shows Jesus is King, and from the grave he arose.